Hey guys, let's take a look at this 4K security camera set. Okay, this is just an unbox and later I'm gonna test this camera. So let's go. Let's just open it up. There we go. It looks pretty nice at first. Okay, here's the name, Anona. If I'm not mistaken about the pronunciation. Welcome to Anona Redefining Home Security, right? Let me just open this up. There we go. It comes with the user manual. Here a template for installation and other documentation. I'm just put this aside and check the camera. Okay, here I see the panel at first, the solar panel. It looks nice. You see the box is pretty good. Guys, this looks premium, right? Pretty good with the instructions here, but that's basically the solar panel. Let's just take a look at the camera itself. Let me just remove this from here so see better. There we go. That's the solar panel. You can just put it here on the mount for installation. And here another mount. Not another mount, but the first mount that you can use for the camera or the solar panel. Probably for the solar panel, right? There we go. And also comes here some screws and anchors for the installation. There we go. And a mounting sticker. Super nice. Let me just put that here so you see everything that comes in the box. There we go. And here the camera itself. Just unbox it. There we go. Comes here in this plastic bag. Let me see how I can open it. There we go. Can open here. And there we go, the star of the show, okay? Anona 4K camera. Here you see some plastic to protect the lens. Down here, probably a speaker and a sync button. There we go. And here, the thread for the mount. So I can install this onto a wall or something. And just put it here that way. And here is the mount. Okay, so you have one mount for the camera and one mount for the solar panel. I'm just open this up as well. There we go. So here now another mount. You just put some screws here. Put into a wall or a pole and you're good to go. Okay, so pretty good. I have everything here. Just close this box again. You see, even the box is pretty nice. Okay, so here we go. The Anona security camera set. Here is the mount, another mount. The camera, let me just show the camera again so see how good it is, how beautiful it is at first, right? Anona 4K camera. Here the thread, buttons, sync button. Probably you can have, oh, there we go. Here I can connect the cable. Oh, it comes, oh, cable for the solar panel. That's the one here, right? You're going to connect this one. So you power the camera with the solar panel. It looks pretty good. Okay. I'll review this camera later, talk more about it with the details, right? So I hope you like this video at first. You can get yours on Amazon.